In this video, I will be showing you one of our new billing features where you can create a payment request without sending it to the client just yet. This may be a useful tool if you have a client or a consult that paid over the phone, but you need to reflect payment in the system. Beginning in the billing section of this portal, you will see a bar here with several different options. Please click the tab that says Payment Requests, and on the right side, you will see the blue button that says Request Payment. A window will pop up for you to type in the details for this payment request. Once you have those details selected, you will see a checkbox down here in this corner for Do Not Send. If you do not want to send this to the billing contact, please click this box, and in the right side, click the blue button that says Save. This will create a billing request, but it will not send it to the client just yet.